Looking for reliable and affordable CCTV camera for home or business? This is it, guys. This is a TP-Link Tapo C200C na compatible with Alexa, Google Home at Samsung SmartThings para sa voice control ready for smarter home. High quality din ito, easy to use at super worth it. First of all, Full HD 1080p ng video quality nito. Sobrang linaw. Kita mo lahat ng galaw, malinaw mukha at walang sablay kahit araw o gabi. At speaking of gabi, meron itong night vision up to 30 feet kahit patay ang ilaw. Kita mo pa rin kung sino sa paligid. Perfect pambantay sa kwarto, hallway or tindahan. And look at this, guys. Kaya mag-rotate. Meron siyang 360 horizontal view at 114 vertical view. Ibig sabihin, isang camera lang, buong kwarto ng covered. Gamit lang free tapo app, pwede may control ang lahat. Rotate na camera, zoom in, or track the real-time footage kahit nasa office, labas, o kahit nasa kabilang kwarto ka pa. May built-in two-way audio rin siya, so yes, pwede ka makipag-usap sa bahay through your phone. Sabihin mo sa anak mo na kumain na, or kausapin ng delivery guy kahit wala ka sa bahay. May micro SD card slot up to 256GB na rin pala ito, so kahit walang internet tuloy ang recording, perfect for 4-day surveillance. May smart motion detection din ito kapag may gumalaw, alert agad sa phone mo, real-time updates to keep you safe and aware. Setup, naku, napakadali lang. Plug in mo lang, connect sa app, tapos done na. No complicated steps, no tech knowledge needed. Pwede sa wall, ceiling, or patong lang sa shelf. Kaya perfect na perfect for moms, OFW, small business owners, or pet parents. Peace of mind kahit nasaan ka talaga.